So for number 5, so find dy over dx and simplify whenever possible. So for number 5, y is equals to hyperbolic arc cotangent of hyperbolic cosine x. So the derivative of, so take note that the derivative of hyperbolic of arc tan of u is equals to negative 1 all over 1 minus u squared du over dx. So, and our u here is equals to the hyperbolic arc cosine x. So the derivative of uh, hyperbolic arc cosine u is equals to hyperbolic sine u du over dx. So take note of that one. So we have y prime is equals to, so derivative of hyperbolic arc cotangent is equals to negative 1 all over. So 1 minus, so u squared. So we have hyperbolic cosine squared u. So u is equals to x. So d over dx. So the derivative of hyperbolic cosine is equals to hyperbolic sine u. Hyperbolic sine u. So u is equals to x. So derivative of u. So derivative of x just equals to 1. So we'll not include that one. So y prime is equals to, so we have hyperbolic negative sine x all over 1 minus hyperbolic cosine squared x. So take note that of this identity. Take note of this identity. Hyperbolic cosine squared theta minus hyperbolic sine squared theta is equals to 1. So we have negative hyperbolic sine squared theta is equals to 1 minus hyperbolic cosine squared theta. So we will substitute that one to the denominator. This one. So we have y prime is equals to negative hyperbolic sine of x all over. So 1 minus cosine hyperbolic cosine squared theta. So it is just equals to negative hyperbolic sine squared theta is equals to x. So let's simplify this one. So y prime is equals to, so we'll cancel this one. So the remaining will be 1. So we have 1 all over negative divide negative is just positive. So we have 1 all over hyperbolic sine of x. So take note that 1 all over hyperbolic sine theta is equals to hyperbolic cosecant theta. So we have y prime is equals to hyperbolic cosecant of theta, so of x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to hyperbolic of cosecant x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.